be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. We could be gazing at the stars, but now it feels just like I wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me. I never gave the key to you. Hey
guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to give you another decluttering video. So today, as you can tell, we're decluttering in my closet, and I just had so much I needed to go through, and you'll see all the stuff. And honestly, I don't know how it got this bad, but it's okay because we're gonna get it all cleaned up and all organized. So sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy today's video.
Could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you. I could be driving to your place, but now the ground is shaking. Could be a phase, but it feels like it will never go away.
So this is the chest that sits inside my closet, and I just needed to go ahead and put my Valentine's Day shirts in there just so I can get that kind of out of the way.
Should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. Should have been you. That should have been you. I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely.
So as I'm going through these clothes, I just wanted to take a minute to say hello. My name is Courtney. I do cleaning videos, cook with me videos, decluttering, decorate with me, all types of videos. So if you like that kind of content, make sure you push that subscribe button down below. And also you can follow me on Instagram. My handle name is thelifeofcourtney19.
Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you. I've never really been the one who's worried. Always been the one who's keeping it cool.
So in the past, I've always had my closet color coordinated, but I just wanted to make sure that I was being realistic too. So I wanted to put all my jeans together, all of my dresses together, and then all of my sweaters and jackets together, and then the rest of it I was trying to color coordinate. So that's kind of the gist of what I was doing.
'Cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free. Myself and myself only. I've been like that since I was a kid. I've always put my feet wherever I want to. Before I saw who I could be, kept thinking, where did I go wrong? Then realizing where I do come from was asking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me, 'cause I was made to be free.
So I really don't know how I got so many shoes these past few months, but I knew that I needed to declutter because I do not wear all those shoes. and I just got some new ones. So I just wanted to go through those right quick and of course like give them to Goodwill so they can get some use out of them.
That's my choice, what I need to be free. Still thinking how real love should feel when I know that it's not about you, just me. Cause I was made to be free.
So now I'm just moving on to the bags that were on the floor. I just need to like stack them together, like put them inside each other and then stack them that way. And then of course my suitcase, which I've already talked about before. And yeah, I just need to get all that kind of straightened out.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego.
So I did end up putting everything back, but I just wanted to show you the befores and then you'll see the afters. It's like my favorite part of videos is seeing the before and afters. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you won't miss out on any more videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
While you're going on about your simple life, nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.